Hello, this is Zane from the Gemini Trader. So it is time to mark our gold chart for the coming week. Let's get started with a weekly time frame. And as we predicted in the previous week, we made a new all-time high. So now we will start off by marking our weekly wick with an all-time high, weekly wick, and also we're gonna mark um, our bottom wick. Um, yeah, because the whole point of marking those wicks are that these wicks are likely to get filled. So if you get major retracement, these wicks are about 70 to 80% likely to get filled. Then we go to a daily time frame, and in a daily time frame, I'm also going to mark, as you know, I like to mark daily wicks as well because this is kind of a, if you have what you call a clean range on a daily candles, then it is very likely to make money out of it. You can make easily 50 to 100 pips out of that. So yeah, okay. So these are the wicks you're gonna mark out, and also I'm gonna mark some support and resistance levels. Sorry about that. Okay, let's mark some support and resistance level here. We will try to make sure we are as close as possible because as we go down to the lower time frame, obviously it's gonna get bigger and bigger. So yeah, we have to be, yeah, okay. I think it should be good. Yeah. Okay, so on a daily time frame, I'm going to mark another zone, and that zone is going to be this one, and also I'm going to mark one more zone. I really doubt that the marker is going to go at this point, but it is gold, you never know. And also I'm going to mark one more zone, and which is this one. Okay, fantastic. Okay, let's go down to uh, 4 hour time frame. Okay, brilliant. Now in the 4 hour time frame, we are looking pretty good. And what I'm gonna do, I'm going to mark just what. Let me just try to just few zones here. This is a very strong zone. So if you close above this level, above 29.51, we are very likely to go up, make a new all-time high, which I really think is plausible. Now, if you'll notice here, this is a very, interesting zone. Um, Zones like these give you an idea that you can easily make money out of it because if if we go below this zone and we have a candle close below this and all time frames are aligned, we can predict for the market to go at this level, give us easily about more than 100 pip. Um, Sorry, my bad. Yeah, almost more than 100. Yeah, almost. Yeah. So, because we have this rejection wick, this is a liquidity wick. So we can easily, plan our trade accordingly. I want to mark this zone, but I'm just thinking, should I? Let's just mark it here, and as we go down to the lower time frame, we will see what needs to be done. Okay. I think this looked pretty damn good, isn't it? That looked pretty damn good. Let's see how much range do we have in this week. Yeah, 50 range is good enough for gold as long as you have anything above 40, sorry, above 30, we are looking good. We can easily take 20-25 pips out of it. Okay, all right. Now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna mark this zone for 100%. I'm gonna mark this one, and I'm sure you must have an idea why, because of the rejections that we are having. And we have, let's see, what is our, yeah, we have 40 pip range. It looks good, man. Okay, I'm just going to adjust this a little. And I'm gonna adjust this a little into hours. And yeah, I love these kind of setups. I should remember when I made money in that setup, and also when I made money in the dump. Yeah, these are like textbook trades. Okay, cool. So I'm just gonna mark these levels now. I'm just gonna try to modify, try not to create a mess. I don't like messy charts. They just, um, it's just not clean. I don't like it. I don't know for what reason. I like to make it simple. All right, so I think there is this level. I'm thinking, should I? I think I'm going to remove that. Let's see how it looks like that. Um, Let me just, sorry. Let me just try to, try to make sure. Oh, sorry. Okay. All right. 1 second. 2, yeah, this looks better. Okay, 10 pip zone. This is better. Yeah, I think this is good because we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I think this looks really really good. However, I'm gonna mark one more zone, and I'm gonna mark this zone, and this is going to be my zone because we career support here. We have multiple rejections over here. If you look at the left, we have one more support to be created here, one more here, one more here. So this is a very good zone. We'll talk about the trading plan just in a bit. In 30 minutes. Okay, I'm going to create one more zone, one final zone perhaps. And I'm sure you guys must have an idea why I created that. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have this support, this resistance, multiple rejections there. So yeah, oh wow. Oh, this is perfect. This zone is just perfect. All right, so now let's just talk about our trading plan. Okay, 1 second. Let me see. I think we're gonna create one more zone. Yeah, I think I'm gonna create one more zone, and I'm gonna do it here because if we go down, we have resistance formed here, support. So yeah, if we come down, there's a very high probability we're gonna fill our daily wick as well, and then we have our weekly wick at the bottom as well. Let's make some zones at this point, shall we? In the third, and I'm just going to use 30-minute time frame for that. Okay, I'm going to mark this because we have multiple rejections, and then I'm going to mark one zone here. Let's see how it looks at the left. Oh wow, this is perfect. Oh yeah, we have clean ranges here, bro. This looks good. I want to mark one zone because that will be my no trade area. If the market comes down to this level, I will not be taking a trade because of these messy candles. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna change the color so that it should be clear that we are not trading. 2912. Yeah, perfect. So this is our no trade zone. We will not be trading in this zone. All right, guys. Okay, excellent. Now let's plan our trade. So that my trade idea is very simple on gold. I mean, this is that gold has been playing really well for the past couple of days. Um, so yeah, ever since the trade war started, it is giving me textbook setups. So what I'm going to do with gold is first of all, ideally, as like I said, I will not be taking any trades during Asian sessions because of as you know because of the fact that you need to understand how the market is moving, the behavior of the market. I'm just marking one more zone because I forgot to mark this resistance formed here with a dodgy candle, but a resistance is a resistance anyway. So anyways, if the market are during pre-London or London, first of all, I'm expecting for the gold to make a new all-time high. So what I want is a support to be formed, and then close above this range, close above this resistance, and then aiming. First aiming the daily wick, then the weekly wick, which means also the all-time high. Okay, that would be trade idea number one. Okay, always remember that whenever you're going to take a trade, always take trades when the support is formed and then take a buys, making your previous candles lows as your stop loss. And don't forget to add additional pips according to the broker you're using. And I personally use CPT markets. I get better spreads over there. So yeah, I prefer that. And then also, if you look at the bottom, if we are looking for a bearish trade, because my bias is actually, my bias is bullish. So let's see if we have to take a counter trend trade. So my counter trend trade would be um, market to create a support, all right, and then break the support because we have a really clean range. That will be my first target, and that will be my second target, third target, and then fourth all the way down. Every time, whenever I'm taking a content trade, I will be thinking of a support to be created here and a support to be broken. Okay, once the support is broken, then I will be taking a trade, a counter trend trade, and I will be, uploading a detailed video on how to take a trade with the trend, with off the trend, to give you a better understanding. And let's say if the market comes down to this level, then what I'll be looking for is a resistance to be created. And once that resistance is created, then I will be looking for that resistance to be broken to take a trend. So that's my bias. That's what I'm planning for this week, coming week. Let me know what you think and take care of yourself. Trade safe, don't gamble, and good luck. Take care. Bye now.